What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm sitting here working on this Mustang, and my the property management handyman guy comes and knocks on the door and asks if I wanted a model. I'm like, okay. I mean, he's seen me in here working on it before. He remarked on the spray booth and what I'm doing, and asked if I wanted a kit. He had found it and said it was a little thrashed, but it's still wrapped. He was just going to throw it away. I'm like, oh, okay, sure. And he hands me this thing I'm not sure what's in it or what's on it. I look at it and I'm like, okay, awesome, thank you. And, as he left, I set it down on the table by the door and I left it there overnight. Took a little closer look at it this morning and decided we're going to take this thing outside. Took it out, put it on top of the dumpster. And I mean, oh my God, look at just handling it once with a paper towel, the stuff that came off. I'm glad I didn't get into it last night. I could tell it had some kind of funk on it. I'm not sure what it was, but whatever. You can see it's partially sealed. It's something's growing on the back here. Got it open and looked, and it was on the inside too. Not bad. Some of the parts had it, but oh my gosh, what is that? It looks like a curry and a melted crayon or something, or I'm not sure what it is, but I treated it like it was anthrax or something. I put my gloves on, and so I took it outside, like I said, and took it all apart, took it out, and took pictures of all the manual, because it was pretty shot. I mean, you can see the decals were toasted. And I took pictures of all the different pages of it, which looks relatively simple, but you never know. And I certainly was not going to keep them because they're toast. I mean, it just ew, gross, ew. So once I did that, I got it outside by the faucet, the spigot, and hosed it off there, and then took it inside and hit it with the hot water and Dawn. Every bio hazmat cleanup specialist go-to soap. And so now I've got this thing on my bench, and I'm not sure what to do with it, but of course, where my mind goes. So I'm pretty stoked. Pretty cool. Free kit. I mean, I had to do a little bit of work for it, but whatever. That's about it. Some stash ad unboxing hazmat version. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.